Today we celebrate and we remember, because we promised once that we would never forget, that brutal attack on American lives, American rights, and American soil by a fundamentalist terrorist. On the morning of September 11th, 2001, I was teaching back-to-back sections of American Heritage. And in between the two sections, a student came up to me. He was incredibly flustered, and he told me about the events going on in New York City, but everything was confused. Later that morning, my wife Deidre and I ran into President Arnn, who informed us, quite rightly, that Hillsdale would continue to teach all day because it's exactly what the terrorists would not want us to do. 2,977 Americans died on September 11th. My favorite story, and one that never ceases to move me, is about one of the passengers of Flight 93, a man by the name of Tom Burnett, who was a 38-year-old Wall Street banker, a father of 3 daughters, and a devout husband. He helped 2 other men drive a jet airliner into rural Pennsylvania soil on that clear September morning. We're all going to die, but 3 of us are going to do something about it. I love you, honey. Those were his last words on his cell phone to his wife. And I'm reminded of one of the greatest of Republican martyrs, Marcus Tullius Cicero, who was executed by his own executive in 43 BC. And right before he died, he wrote in a note to his son. He said, "Before our time, the customs of our ancestors produced excellent men, and these excellent men preserved our ancient customs and the institutions of their forefathers. But the Republic, when it came to us, was like a beautiful painting whose colors were already fading with age, and our time has not only neglected to freshen the colors, it has not even preserved the original ones, and it has not taken the time to keep together the frame, its general outlines of the Republic itself. For what is now left of these ancient customs on which it was said the Republic of Rome was founded firm? They have been, as we see, so completely buried in oblivion that they are not only no longer practiced, they are almost forgotten. What would I ever say of these men? For the loss of our customs is due to our lack of men, and for this great evil we must not only give an account, but we must even defend ourselves in every possible way as if we were accused of murder. For it is through our faults, not by any accident, that we retain the name of Republic, but have long since lost its spirit." Cicero may have written this in 43 BC, but could this not be America now? And yet, no matter what, in this season of confusion, all of the sacrifices of 9/11 remain. So let us remember those voices who were silenced on 9/11. Let us remember the victims. Let us remember the first responders. Let us remember the heroes. May our colors never fade. May our voices never cease. And may our skies rage liberty and sacrifice.